Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box to show you, and this time it's by Look Fantastic and it's in collaboration with NEOM Organics London. This is the beautiful box it comes in. So this box launches on the Look Fantastic website on the 26th of July. The last time they brought out a NEOM Organics beauty box, it sold out within 4 hours, so super fast. So on their website, they have got a waiting list. So when it gets released, you'll be notified straight away and you're able to purchase it if it's a box that takes your fancy, that is. So the cost of the box is £45 and it has a total value of around £110. Inside contains 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe size items. So the information I have about the box says that nothing affects how you feel more than a perfect night's sleep. Rejuvenate and awaken the senses with our exclusive Look Fantastic X NEOM Organics Limited Edition beauty box worth £110. Containing only 100% natural fragrances, these 6 wellness-inspired products will help to encourage a tranquil night's sleep. So Look Fantastic kindly sent this box to me to show you and to tell you all about it on my channel. So all links and everything related to this box I will link down below. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and show you what I got inside. The smell coming from this box is, oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. Oh, it's the first thing that hits you. It's lovely. And it's got written in the inside here, nothing affects how you feel as much as sleep or lack of it. Always a quote in the Look Fantastic beauty boxes. If you don't know, Look Fantastic have a massive online store selling everything beauty related. They ship worldwide as well. And they also do a monthly beauty subscription box. I'll add that link down below if you're interested in taking a look to see what their beauty boxes are like. They're £15 a month and they contain 6 beauty products. So inside here we got a little leaflet, and in here details everything about the products inside the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. That's what it looks like there. So in the booklet it says, we are delighted to bring you this exclusive limited edition sleep collection in collaboration with NEOM Organics. NEOM focuses on well-being with small steps that make a big difference, from shower wash that helps you have more energy to the candle that creates a calm zone and less stress in your busy family home. The products in this limited edition sleep box are made with the 100% natural Tranquillity fragrance, a blend of 19 of the purest possible essential oils including English lavender, sweet basil and jasmine, all expertly blended to help you relax and prepare you to sleep. So the first item is the candle. I absolutely adore the packaging in this range. It is so pretty. So that's the outside. I had a sneak peek earlier on. I couldn't resist. Normally I don't open them up and I like to open them up in front of you, but no, I couldn't resist. Oh, that smells so nice. That smells so nice. It's lavender. It's a strong lavender smell, but it's their Tranquillity scent, which was mentioned in that booklet. So that's what it looks like there. So a nice big size. The dreamy fragrance of lavender, sweet basil and jasmine plus 16 other essential oils is expertly blended to help you relax and prepare for sleep. Hand poured 100% natural wax with up to 16 ml of essential oils, offering a therapeutic treatment as they burn. Light up and release the essential oils into the air, inhale and relax. Burn for 2 to 4 hours each time so that the wax burns evenly and the oils work hard. So there's the first item. Next we got a Nourish, Breathe and Sleep. It's a hand balm. So it looks like there. And that's what it looks like inside there. Oh my gosh, it's really thick. Really thick. Yes, the same smell. Oh my gosh. A deeply restful bedtime treatment in the palm of your hand with rich cocoa butter to nourish, skin-loving shea butter to soften, and pure essential oils to help calm the mind for sleep. Warm a pea-sized amount of balm between your hands before massaging into the skin. So there's that one. Then we got a Perfect Night's Sleep face oil. Isn't the packaging beautiful? Really pretty. Woo. And it says, your skin always looks its best after a great night's sleep. Fresh, glowing and rested. This 100% natural face oil is full of vitamins and antioxidants plus 13 essential oils, including sweet almond, peach kernel and skin-loving rosehip oil to help nourish and restore skin during sleep. Massage 2 to 3 drops into the skin using circular motions. So there's that. Next we got a Perfect Night's Sleep pillow mist. See out of packaging. This would make such a beautiful gift, wouldn't it? It is so pretty. Just the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. But no, the smells coming from it and everything. It's just so lovely. If any of you got the last NEOM limited edition box, let me know what that's like, if it's exactly the same or if it's a little bit different. But yeah, so this is a sleep pillow mist. So this looks like there. Ooh, what's the smell in it? It's almost like, I was expecting it to be quite of a strong lavender smell, and there's definitely lavender in there, but there's also quite like spicy smells as well, I think. I am not very good. I am not very good at all at describing smells, unfortunately, or scents, but no, that's quite nice. There's lots and lots of different things going on in that smell. So it says here, 1 spritz of this best-selling bottle of natural goodness on your pillow and the dreamy potent oils of lavender, patchouli and chamomile, plus 11 other essential oils get to work, helping you to feel relaxed and prepared for a great night's sleep. Spritz your pillow, lay back and breathe in the pure essential oils, enjoy a deep night's sleep and look forward to a fresh tomorrow. There's that one. Then we got a bottle of, this is a Perfect Night's Sleep body oil, and this is 25 mils. So it looks like that. And this says, soothe and deeply nourish skin with the seriously good natural ingredients and oils of safflower, jojoba, a blend of natural extracts like rose and elderberry, plus added vitamin A and rosehip oil. This oil is ultra nourishing and works throughout the night to improve skin health. And it says, apply directly to the skin and massage in for an amazing skin soothing treat. So there's that. And finally, we've got a cleansing balm and cloth, and this is 100 mils. This is what it looks like there. That's the outer packaging. This is what these look like. So you've got a cloth there and you've got a cleansing balm. A deep cleansing balm that removes makeup and daily grime. The ultimate nighttime cleanser with an expert blend of vitamin-rich, skin-loving oils including rose oil, cherry blossom, peony and elderflower extract, plus 13 of the purest possible relaxing essential oils. Leave skin cleansed, deeply nourished and prepared for sleep. Massage a pea-sized amount into damp skin using circular motions to melt away makeup and daily grime. Hold a warm cleansing cloth over your face and neck to remove the balm before patting dry with a towel. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and show you individually what you'll get inside this box if this box takes your fancy. So you've got the Tranquil scented candle, Perfect Night's Sleep pillow mist, Perfect Night's Sleep face oil, you've got a Nourish, Breathe and Sleep hand balm, got a Perfect Night's Sleep body oil, and finally the Perfect Night's Sleep cleansing balm and cloth. So to recap, this box costs £46 and it has a value of £110. Thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending me this box. It is absolutely beautiful. I just love the whole concept, and it's got everything you need for a really lovely, relaxing nighttime sleep. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Did you get the last one? Is it very similar? Or if not, is this a box that takes your fancy? Or if not, and all opinions and thoughts I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.